Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Excel and creating a new workbook. This gets you working fast. Once open, set column widths and row heights to fit your data so you won't reformat constantly. Freeze the top row to keep headers visible and save right away, name the file and pick a folder. Enable auto recover. These steps prevent lost work and make later steps predictable. Now that layout and saving are done, you're ready to enter structured data into the grid. You'll now enter and structure the data. Start with clear headers in row 1 and use tab and enter for efficient navigation. Once data is in, add formulas like equals sum, b2, b10, and equals average, c2, c10. Learn relative versus absolute references, for example $1 to copy formulas correctly. Format numbers as currency, percent, or date to make values readable. Apply Format Painter to reuse styles, and add conditional formatting to highlight outliers. These practices make calculations accurate. Finish by reviewing and presenting results. Use sort and filter to find records, create a pivot table to summarize data quickly, and insert a chart to visualize trends. Once formulas are in place, you show formulas and trace precedents or dependents to verify calculations. Make sure totals update when source data changes. When finished, export to PDF for sharing or CSV for system import, and save a version backup. If values look wrong, recalculate F9, check cell formats, and inspect formula references.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.